Right, so we're finding the volume of this triangular prism. So we're going to find out the cross-sectional area first, so the area at the front. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to recall the fact that it's base times height and then half to get the area of a triangle. So 8 times 3 is 24. Divide it by 2 gives us 12. So I now know the area here is 12 centimeters squared. And in effect, I've got 5 rows of that going backwards, so I times my 12 by 5, and that will tell me that I get 60 centimeters cubed in that prism. Now another triangular one here. We've got base times height divided by 2 to get the area of the cross section at the front. So the base is 4, the height is 5, and then we divide it by 2. There is no need for this 6 to be used. So 4 times 5 is 20, and then half that gives us 10 centimeters squared. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll put one more in there. 7, 8. 8 rows going backwards. So it's 10 times by 8, which will give me 80 centimeters squared. Got another teaching one here. This time it's a trapezoidal prism. So we need to recall the half a plus b times by h, which is the area of a trapezium. So I'm going to put in the values that I know. It's my two parallel sides added together. So I've got my 4 here. So that's the parallel side at the top and the bottom. And my 8. And then I'm times it by the height, which is 6. So half of 8 plus 4 is going to be 12. And then times it by 6. So I'll half the 12, which gives me 6. And 6 times 6 is 36. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows going backwards. Each of these has an area. The area at the front here is 36 centimeters squared. So I've got 36 times by 5, which gives me 180 centimeters cubed.